Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money anywhere in the world using the Revolut app. You can send money to any bank account in any country. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Revolut app, then go to the menu, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the menu, at the Essentials tab, you will see the remittance icon right here. And when you tap on it, here you can choose a country from all around the world. I think all of the countries are available. I mean, 99% of them. And when you found the country where you want to send your money, you can also, obviously, you can also send it to the same country where you're at right now. But yeah, let's choose a country. Let's say Brazil. Right now I'm in Europe, so Brazil is quite far away, the other part of the world. And here you just have to choose the currency that you are sending this money. Obviously, in Brazil, there can be bank accounts in other currencies, but let's send it right now in Brazilian dollars. Let's say we will send 10. Then tap on continue. Obviously, you can add the reference. What should the bank transaction showcase at the bottom? Here you can type in anything. As you can see, the general one is sent from Revolut, but obviously you can change it to send from Jackson or anything like that. So just tap on continue, then create a beneficiary here, and here you have to add all the bank details of the recipient. You can send it to an individual or you can send it to a business. And when you completed with all the details, you just add the recipient and you can go through with your transaction. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.